The other pictures are just mainly giving you an idea of what the cemetery looks like on cleanup day, the front entrance, what needs clearing. You can see a